Hello everyone, welcome to Aman Babu Tutorials, complete solution for your study. आजको यस भिडियोमा हामी कक्षा 10 अंग्रेजी विषयको युनिट 13 रिडिङ आई डिस्कभरिङ माइग्रेसन वाट बर्ड्स रिभिल को सम्पूर्ण अभ्यास गर्नेछौँ। यदि भिडियो मन पऱ्यो भने लाइक अनि च्यानलमा नयाँ हुन्छ भने च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला। र सुरु गरौँ। रिडिङ आई Answer these questions. Number A. Have you ever noticed birds and animals migrating to new places? Answer. Yes, I have noticed many times birds and animals migrating to new places. Number B. Why do you think they migrate? Answer. They migrate to avoid seasonal food storage, escape extreme weather and find ideal places for breeding and raising young, driven by survival instincts and genetic factors. Exercise. Question number A. Study the following words, word list and find their synonyms and antonyms as shown in the example. Write NA if the word does not have a synonym and antonym in the list. Word, synonyms, antonyms. Example: witness, onlooker, viewer, bystander, spectator. Participant. Number A. Transform, change, remodel, revamp. Stagnate. Number B. Incredible, unbelievable, amazing, wonderful, predictable. Number C. Roadmap, guideline, plan, direction, protocol. यानी number D. Retrace, backtrack, recall, recollect, reminisce. Forget. Number E. Grab, clutch, snatch, capture, release. Number F. Elevation, height, altitude, flat level. Number G. Waterlogged, wet, sodden, soft, trains. Dehydrated. Number H. Refill, replenish, restock. Deplete. Number I. Cluster, array, band, bunch, clump. Chump. Number J. Crucial, vital, fundamental. Trivial. Number K. Perilous, risky, dangerous, precarious. Harmless. Question number B. Complete sentences A to F with their correct ending. Number A. In the past, people had a misconception that birds hide underground or change into some other birds. Number B. To supply themselves with energy, birds fly in large groups. Number C. When the weather is favorable in spring, birds fly back to their habitats. Number D. As a sign of partial migration, some birds travel to a different place while others do not. Number E. To wait for a favorable weather, some birds stop to feed themselves with grains. Number F. For better flying condition, some birds choose to fly during the night. Question number C. Answer these questions. Number A. What is incredible about the migration of birds? Answer. The incredible feature about the migration of birds is that they can travel miles away over land and ocean without a road map or compass. Question number B. What things do birds consider while flying to their destination? Answer. While flying to their destination, birds consider factors such as changing winds, their own weight, stones, and weather, energy. Number C. Which animals other than the birds migrate to new places? Answer. Insects, amphibians, reptiles, fish, and mammals are other than the birds that migrate to new places. Number D. What do scooters dive underwater for? Answer. Scooters dive underwater for grabbing shellfish, from the ocean floor. Number A. Which birds travel up and down instead of going north to south? Answer. Mountain birds such as brindle, brindled, timic, and mountain cicadas travel up and down instead of going north to south. Number F. What is partial migration of bird? Answer. Partial migration refers to a phenomenon in which some birds may migrate while others do not. Number G. Why can sea terns not stay long in water? Answer. Sea terns cannot stay long in water because they become waterlogged. Number H. How do birds feed themselves during this journey? Answer. Some birds feed on fly while flying, while some others rest to feed and fly again. Number I. What are the signs of birds flying in the night sky? Answer. The chattering of birds and their sight during moon watching are the sign of birds flying in the night sky. Question number 3. You might have seen or heard animals migrating to new places. What could be the reason for animals to migrate? Discuss. Answer. I have witnessed birds migrating in groups. Last time I saw some parrots migrating during the fall season last year, particularly in October. I think birds migrate for various reasons: to find better food sources, escape harsh weather conditions, and breed in optimal environment. Listing. Question number A. Answer these questions. Number A. What do you think is the status of population of animals in the world today? Answer. The status of animals population in the world is concerning, as indicated by the finding of the World Wildlife Fund's report. Over the past 50 years, wildlife populations have experienced a significant decline. This decline poses a threat to biodiversity and the delicate balance of ecosystems worldwide. Number B. Why is wildlife important to human beings? Answer. Wildlife is crucial for maintaining ecological balance, supporting biodiversity, and preserving the health of ecosystem. They also provide economic value through activities like tourism and sustenance, cultural tradition. Additionally, wildlife research contributes to scientific knowledge and innovation. Overall, wildlife plays a vital role in enriching our lives and sustaining the planet. Question number B. Listen to the audio and fill in the gaps with the correct words. Result. Number A. According to World Life Fund, we need to overhaul the way we get food. Number B. The wildlife across the world is under threat. Number C. The population of animals and birds has decreased by nearly 70% in the past 50 years. Number D. World Wildlife Fund monitored about 21,000 animals species in its study. Number E. Agriculture is responsible for up to 80% of deforestation in the world. Number F. We can save the wildlife for the future generation by living a more sustainable life. Question number C. Answer these questions in not more than 4 words. Number A. What does the decline in wildlife indicate? Answer. Decline in the overall planet. Number B. What is the biggest reason for the destruction of habitats of wild animals? Answer. Destruction of rainforest or agriculture. Number C. Where do testicle species live? Answer: forest and grassland. Number D: where should we look to stop the trend of population decline? Answer: our kitchen. Question number D: what efforts in Nepal making to save wildlife? Discuss. Answer: some of the most prominent wildlife species in Nepal include the Bengal tiger, one-horned rhinoceros, snow leopard, Asian elephant, red panda, and various species of birds such as Himalayan moon owl. These species are significant because they are iconic. Because they are iconic symbol of Nepal's rich biodiversity and are often considered flagship species, meaning their conservation also benefits many other species within their ecosystem. Specific threats or challenges faced by wildlife in Nepal include habitat loss and fragmentation due to human activities such as deforestation, agriculture expansion, and infrastructure development. Additionally, poaching and illegal wildlife trade pose threats to species like the Bengal tiger, rhinoceros, and snow leopard. Climate change also poses risks affecting habitats and altering ecosystems. While these threats are similar to those faced by wildlife in other regions, Nepal's unique geographical and ecological diversity adds complexity to conservation efforts. Nepal has implemented various conservation initiatives and programs to protect its wildlife. These include the establishment of national parks, wildlife reserves, and conservation areas such as Chitwan National Park, Bardia National Park, and Sagarmatha National Park. The government has also introduced community-based conservation programs that involve local communities in wildlife protection efforts while providing them with alternative livelihood opportunities. Additionally, anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration projects, and initiatives to reduce human-wildlife conflict are among the strategies employed to safeguard Nepal wildlife. Grammar आइए question number है complete the sentences below with the correct alternatives from the brackets. Number A, even though we have different ideologies, we are intimate friends. Number B, despite our hard efforts, we could not establish a hospital in the village. Number C, even though the film was very popular, it was a commercial failure. Number D, I enjoyed all the luxuries of life despite the fact that I grew up in a remote village. Number E, I watched a late night movie. However, I didn't feel sleepy in the morning class. Number F, even though scientists have made lots of research, there is no evidence of life on Mars. Number J, in spite of my efforts, I can't ever score excellent marks in the exam. Number H, my room was borrowed, although I had locked it securely before going out. Number I called Siddharth several times, but he didn't respond. Number J, even though we had not invited them, they came to the party. Question number B, join the following pairs of sentences with the connectives given in the brackets. Number A, I was really exhausted, I could not sleep well. Answer, although I was really exhausted, I could not sleep well. Number B, she did not meet the requirement, she was shortlisted for the job. Answer, in spite of not meeting the requirements, she was shortlisted for the job. Number C, I decided to work for the company. The pay was quite low. Answer: even though the pay was quite low, I decided to work for the company. Number D, we lost the match. We had prepared for the last really well. Answer: 8. We lost the match. We had prepared for it really well. Number E, Dipisa completed her assignment. She had badly injured her hand. Answer: despite having badly injured her hand, Dipisa completed her assignment. Number F, Kripa exercises every day. She is gaining weight. Answer: Kripa exercises every day. However, she is gaining weight. Number C, Barcelona won the match. They were limited to 10 players. Answer: nevertheless, Barcelona won the match. They were limited to 10 players. Number H, I love to watch cricket on TV. My brother loves to watch football. Answer: I love to watch cricket on TV while my brother loves to watch football. Number I, he had not gone to bed until midnight. He woke up early in the morning. Answer: in spite of not having gone to bed until midnight, he woke up early in the morning. Number J, he was selected for the school team. He had not played well. Answer: although he had not played well, he was selected for the school team. Writing IA, a large number of youth and professionals leave Nepal and migrate abroad each year. Write an essay expressing your opinion about the impact of such migration. Also include suggestion and solution to the problems caused by migration. Topic दिए the impact of migration. Answer: essay also. Yes, sir. In recent years, many young people and skilled workers have been leaving Nepal to find better opportunities in other countries. This kind of migration has made people worry about how it affects Nepal's society and economy. One big problem is called brain drain. This happens when smart and skilled people leave Nepal, making it hard for the country to grow and do new things, especially in areas like healthcare, teaching and technology. Also, because these smart people live, there are not enough skilled workers in Nepal, making it hard for the country to reach its goal for growth. To help with these problems, Nepal needs to focus on keeping its talented people and helping them grow. This means investing in education and training so young people have the skill to help Nepal. The government can also do things like offer better pay and chance to move up in the job to keep skilled workers from leaving. It's also important to encourage new ideas and business. By doing things like helping new business start and grow, Nepal can make a better environment for smart and skilled people to stay and help their country. In short, many young people and skilled workers leaving Nepal is a big problem, but by helping talented people stay and grow, Nepal can overcome these problems and make the most of its talented youth for a better future. A project was work in group, study the birds and animals that migrate to or from your places and prepare a report on migratory birds, animals of your locality. Include the following points in your report. Yeah. Pointहरू केही पोइन्टहरू दिएछ, जस्तै नेम अफ बर्ड्स एनिमल्स, रिजन फर माइग्रेसन, टाइम सिजन अफ माइग्रेसन, एक्टिभिटिज ड्युरिङ द माइग्रेसन, ड्युरेसन अफ माइग्रेसन. योहरू पोइन्ट इन्क्लुड गरेर रिपोर्ट बनाउनु छ. रिपोर्ट दिएछ माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स अफ आवर लोकलिटी. नम्बर 1, नेम अफ द बर्ड एनिमल्स स्पिसिस, स्टिप इगल, scientific name Equula influences. Category migratory bird. Number 2, reason for the migration. The steppe eagles migrates to Nepal for several key reasons. Food availability. Steppe eagles migrate primarily in search of better food sources. Their breeding grounds in Central Asia have a limited food supply during the harsh winter months, permitting them to migrate to regions with more abundant prey. Breeding and nesting. Migration also helps them find suitable breeding grounds during the breeding season. They requires a specific environmental condition to raise their young successfully. Number 3, time season or migration. Autumn migration. Steppe eagles typically start their migration in late September to October as temperature drop and prey becomes scarce in their breeding grounds. Spring migration. They will return to their breeding grounds in late March to early April, coinciding with the arrival of warmer temperatures and an increase in food availability. Number 4, activities during migration. Thermal soaring. To conserve energy, steppe eagles use thermal currents to soar high in the sky. This allows them to cover long distance without expending much energy. Resting and feeding. During migration, they periodically stop to rest and feed. They often use large trees or open field for resting and hunting. Navigation. Steppe eagles navigate using a combination of visual landmarks, the sun, and the Earth's magnetic field. Number 5, duration of migration. Autumn migration duration. The duration from their breeding grounds to wintering areas usually takes about 2 to 4 weeks, depending on weather condition and individual health. Spring migration duration. The return journey is similarly time taking approximately 2 to 4 weeks. Overall, the migration of steppe eagles is a remarkable example of adaptation to seasonal changes in food availability and environmental conditions. The end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.